Hi, I'm Ray, and today it's a really wet day, but I've made my little conservatory onto my shed so I can come outside and do a few jobs. But we've just had some mail, and while I can't get to the allotment today, I thought I'll have a look at my post, and I've had some interesting posts, and I love a challenge. I'm never very good, but I like to have a go. So I had some posts, and this is from Steve from Digwell, Greenfingers, from up in Gloucestershire, and he's got a YouTube channel which I'll add a link to the bottom, and he sent me this little parcel, SSP. SSP is the single seed potato challenge, and we'll have a hashtag. If you click on the hashtag below, it will take you to all the other contestants into the competition. But today we're going to have a look at what Steve sent us. So this is the single seed potato challenge, and Steve sent me a little letter saying good luck, Ray, from Steve. 1 entry per channel, UK only. Submit 1 video for planting of the pieces. Submit 1 video of the harvest by 31st of October without revealing the weight. Potatoes can be grown outdoors but may be started indoors, and use the hashtag SSP Challenge 2022 in the video titles or description. So Steve has taken his selection of potatoes, wrapping them up, and then individually picking one for each participant of the competition. So we didn't choose which one was sent to which participant, so we haven't had a look in here yet. So we'll have a look and see what we've got. So it's looking quite small, and this is the potato that we sent. So there we go. So having a look, we've got 1 chit growing here, and we've got a few eyes that are growing here. So the competition is to grow the biggest yield from 1 potato. So this can be done in various ways. It can be done in various outdoor, in a bucket, in the soil, in the ground. We can cut this up into pieces. So we're going to work out what we're going to do. So we've got nice chit. So I'm going to have to work out what I'm going to do with my potato. So thank you very much, Steve. Let's have a look what we're going to do. So I'm having a close look at the potato, and we'll have a look and see what we can do. We've got 1 eye here. These may produce a couple of shoots. There's not very many. So there's 1 there, maybe a couple there. Maybe, I'm not so sure. Not so sure. I think those are going to be something there. So we want this 1 chit, and we want those. So I'm going to make a cut. And I'm going to make a cut, don't know, I'm going to make a cut across this way, so that's 1/2. We've got the bottom of it there, possibly another chit there, Not so sure. We may go for that one, see if that does chirp. So I'm going to cut this right in the middle. We may have two with chicks there. One, possibly that one. And we'll have a look at the rest. There isn't a lot really on here. Maybe here. Not really many chicks left on this one. Just reckon it may sprout from there. I really don't know. Reckon it'd give me a bit of a duff on here. But we've got to give it a go. Don't know. I think I'm just going to try and use those yeah, these got to be used somehow. And I think we'll try and split. Don't know. Not many chicks on this one, Steve. Bit unsure now. Now I've done that. I'm gonna give it a cut through the middle here, and hopefully that will chip here and then one here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to let these now sit in this tray and let them heal, and then we can plant them out. I was hoping there'd be a lot more eyes, but I'm not sure there is. So I'm just going to let them now sit in the tray and let them heal for a few days, and then we're going to plant them up. So I'm back in my green shed house, whatever, and I've got my potatoes that Steve from Digwell Greenfingers gave me, and I chopped my potatoes up and I've forgotten. So 2 weeks later I've just come back and they've gone a bit mouldy and a bit shriveled up. So I think it might be a bit disastrous. Sorry, Steve. But anyway, I'm still going to plot them on. We've still got the eye on this one, and we never know, it might do something. So I've got these pots, and I'm just going to fill them up with some compost, and we'll give it a go. There's no harm trying. If they don't work, I've lost. So this is my potato, and I'm just going to add it into the pot. And we'll just see what happens. And I'm just going to cover them back up. I'll put a label on them so I don't throw these pots away thinking there's nothing in them, because I probably will. And there we go. So that's my challenge for the single potato seed challenge. See what happens. Keep in touch. Cheers.